Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Kinmount, Ontario. This charming village lies along the Burnt River, surrounded by forests, rolling hills, and the beauty of the Kawartha Lakes region. Kinmount was first settled in the mid-1800s when pioneers arrived to work in the lumber industry and build mills along the river. The coming of the Victoria Railway in the late 1800s helped the town grow and connect with nearby communities. The name Kinmount comes from a place in Scotland, chosen by early settlers to reflect their heritage and the familiar landscape. Today, Kinmount is a welcoming community known for its small-town charm, scenic trails, and the historic Highland cinemas, a local treasure. Whether you're exploring the trails, visiting the old cinema, or simply enjoying the peaceful riverside views, Kinmount invites you to slow down and take in the best of rural Ontario. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kinmount, Ontario.